Hey YouTube, hope everybody's doing good. I just wanted to share a quick video that I did on a 2011 Chevy Silverado, which I think it's compatible with 07 through 13. And the problem I was having was the high beams weren't working on the headlights. There was just, you turn on the switch, nothing. With the scan tool, it was showing that they were supposed to be working, but the problem I was having is on the high beam side, the relay is a printed circuit board in the bottom of the fuse block. You can't get to it to change it out. So what I wanted to do is just share kind of what I did to fix the problem without replacing the whole complete fuse block. It was actually really simple, and I think once you guys see how I did this, you're going to want to do it yourself and save some money. So let me just kind of show you guys what I used here. Let me flip this. So what I needed, I just used a pair of crimps, some cutters, some butt connectors, a test light. I had to have my glasses, a 10mm wrench, and what I ordered was these relays by Nightlight, and it comes with a fuse built into it, which helps because you don't have to run an external fuse to it. And it comes with a schematic, and I actually, just to simplify things for everybody, I use this schematic right here where it shows the ground as the trigger source. And the reason why I did this is because when you look at the schematics for the high beams, you're going to see that this is that relay, the printed circuit board relay, that gets grounded by the body control module on the tan and white wire. So, and it shows right here, it's on the X1 connector in position C8, and then once this is energized, it sends the power to the headlights through a fuse that's inside the fuse block. I unfortunately couldn't get access to connect to this right here to use the fuses inside the fuse block. So I had to just pick up the wire outside of the fuse block. And you can see here it's on a dark green and white and a light green and black wire. Real easy, guys. Let me show you what I did. Let me put these glasses on. You come over here to your board. Mine's got two handles that go in here that actually broke off on mine, but you just pick up the handles and pull the whole box out, and the whole box will come out. Really easy. And this is kind of what it's going to look like underneath here. And so what you want is the X4 connector, which is this one here. You can see this tan and white wire right here, which came up to C3. You can see where I cut it underneath here. It's in the C3 1 2 3 position. And I just ran an external wire running outside the box to use as my ground trigger source for the new relay that I wired in. And then this one here is the X1 connector, and you can see the two green wires that feed the power to the high beams. I just clipped them off and pulled the wire out of the loom so I can connect, and I hooked them both together, so I'm powering both headlights at the same time off of this relay. And what I'll do is I'll show you guys how I connected everything. Let me put this back up here. Okay, so you see I took the white and blue and just hooked it to a 12-volt power source, and then the red wire is the power wire for the relay that I just hooked both headlights into it. And then my trigger wire for the ground, what grounds it, hooked onto the black part of the relay. So super simple. And let me push this down and I'll show you guys. Make sure that this wire is not in the way. Let me make sure I have this in all the way. Okay, sorry guys, I had to hook the battery back up. Okay. Now you can see the high beams are working. And it was all because of that printed circuit board relay failed inside the bottom of this fuse block. And now that this external relay is hooked in, they're going to work just like they would if they were still running through the circuit board. So super easy fix, and if you guys have any questions, just put them in the comments. I'll try to answer them, and I'll try to put a link to where I ordered these relays. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Okay, so there we go. It's all buttoned up. I tucked it right here underneath where the cover of the fuse box goes, so it's kind of hidden. Put some wire loom and made it as neat as possible. So you can see my brights are now working. And the flasher works too.